Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to breed villagers. So first you're going to need to log them up, and then I'm just going to spawn 2 villagers. As you can see, there's a bed here. I'm going to remove that bed because someone else had already owned it. I'm going to move this villager a bit, put a bed right there, and put another bed right here. Alright, and then now that they have beds, we're gonna get some food, and then we're gonna start throwing this food towards them. We're gonna let them take the food, and then you wanna wait until they've got hearts on their heads. And now they are gonna breed. So what we wanna do is basically leave this room and let them breed for however long they want. And yeah, actually I'm just gonna put a door here, because you gotta keep the villagers happy. The only way they will breed is if they are happy. We're just gonna go in, give them a bit more food. You know, we're just gonna give them all of our food, and then we can watch from the window. We'll just have to wait for them to finish breeding, and then you'll have a little baby villager, and that's gonna be it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you wanna see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.